Yes, I think so.
Hey, what happened?
Hey, I'm so tired. You carry me. Come on, hurry up. No, I'm so tired. Louis, I'm so
Carry me,
tired.
come on.
Come on. Go down. Come on. Hey. Do you see anything? We are tired.
Let's go, come on.
Hey.
Let's go.
Yes, good job.
Hey, sir. So long.
All right.
Let's go.
They're here.
Hello? Hey, money here.
Good. You all going available. Where's my money? Okay, come in. Gun here. Take a look.
Hey. Goodbye. See you again.
Okay.
Stop! Criminal, where's this?
Criminal?
I don't know.
Hey, let's go. No.
Ben!
Shut up, go! Go. Hey, Happy, I will forgive you. Stop. Hey, you go this way.
The two SWAT guys went into the swimming pool and felt excited, so they turned around and jumped into the pool. The leader's friend saw two SWATs swimming happily from top to bottom. He was startled and called out to the boss.
They took our things. What?
The boss saw this and immediately told his friend to run out. The two SWATs were still playing by the pool when the boss's friend ran out onto the balcony and pointed a gun at the pool.
Hey, you!
The two SWAT guys looked upstairs in panic and swam up, holding guns and chasing after them. The boss and boss quickly moved down and shot continuously at the two SWATs. The two SWATs also shot back at them continuously. Inside, SWAT and two robbers were playing billiards when they seeing this inside, the two robbers immediately ran out, but were beaten unconscious by the SWAT holding a stick. SWAT ran out and the three joined forces to attack. The boss's friend took the gun from the boss's hand and shot many times at a SWAT guy, killing him on the spot. The two SWATs got angry and immediately stood up and shot repeatedly at the boss's friend. The boss saw this and ran out to shoot an injured SWAT. Seeing that, the two SWATs immediately ran away. The guy's gun ran out of bullets, so he picked up the gun from the ground and chased after SWAT. In the house, two robbers woke up. The boss ran in and ordered them to look for SWAT.
Yes, sir. What happened? What are you doing here? I don't know. Not me. Give us a gun. Let's go. Yes, sir.
The two SWATs hid in a room and split up to hide.
Hey, you're here. I go to the outside.
Outside, the boss pointed the two robbers into a room while I went elsewhere to look. The boss opens into a search room. The two robbers went into another room. They slowly searched every corner. One went upstairs. He saw that the shelf had a large book and immediately grabbed it. He gingerly followed. One guy carefully went upstairs. Another guy went into the bathroom to look around, but no one looked back, and the SWAT took a book and kicked him in the face and knocked him unconscious. The SWAT took the robber's gun. The remaining robber was going upstairs when suddenly the SWAT appeared, pointed a gun at the robber and shot him dead. The two SWAT guys met again.
Yes, I'm fine. Okay.
The SWAT pulled out the sofa and saw the guns hidden.
Too many guys.
Mr. SWAT immediately opened the cabinet and was surprised that the cabinet was full of quality guns.
Too many guns. Maybe they sell guns. Yes, I think so.
Each person takes one, assembles it, and loads it. The two went out to look for the boss. The boss in the other room was still looking for SWAT, but when he saw there was no one, he came out. The two SWAT guys also went out and shot directly at the boss. The boss ran quickly upstairs. The two SWAT guys ran after him. The boss was running into his room when two SWAT guys shot him continuously. The boss grabbed two guns and fired back, injuring one SWAT guy. The remaining SWAT continued to shoot. The boss fell on the bed, holding a knife and throwing it at the SWAT, causing him to be seriously injured and fall down. The other SWAT saw this and quickly grabbed a knife and walked towards the boss and fought with him. The boss used a knife to slash at Mr. SWAT, but Mr. SWAT tried to hold back. He immediately raised his hand and punched the boss in the face and stabbed him with it. The boss died soon after. The SWAT who was injured in the shoulder quickly ran to the other SWAT and helped him pull the knife out of his body.
Yeah, I'm fine. Stand up.
Both got up and left.
Let's go. This mission is very important. But be careful. Do you understand? And we will attack this base. Your base is very heavily defended.
At the police base, there are many beautiful and eye-catching weapons. Besides, SEAL X is learning more knowledge about criminals from Captain Ben.
They have very dangerous weapons, so we have to be very careful, alright? I need you to remember. Yes, sir. Alright, come here, come on. This is their base. Hi, look. There are many of them on guard right now. Hi, we will attack from this side. Yeah, if you don't do so, you will easily fail. This is what I need. Please bring it back here to me, alright? Yeah, and I will support you. Alright? Yes, sir.
SEAL X receives a mission to search for a laptop that was stolen from the robbers. After receiving the gun seal, X quickly went on duty. Ben trusted SEAL X and expected results from SEAL X. At the base, as shown in the image, the robber's lair is very tightly guarded. SEAL X quickly took action to search for the received location. At the base, Boss Dr. Lee is working on ways to get data from the laptop.
Alright, follow me.
Oke.
After that, he and the female robber hurriedly left the base.
Hello, boss. I brought it here. Where's some money? Money? Alright. Yeah. Alright.
Jurley went to the soldiers to make a secret deal with them. Jurley's base was followed by SEAL X and planned to break in when he was not at home.
Okay. Alright.
Money here. Take it.
Alright. Why so little money? That's all mine. Huh? Are you kidding me?
At the transaction point, Jurley received the memory card, but the dissatisfied soldier did not accept Jurley's money.
Damn it! Are you kidding me? Huh? Don't shoot! No! Don't shoot! Forgive me! No!
Unexpectedly, they were all destroyed and taken over by Jurley. At the robber's base, SEAL X managed to infiltrate deep into the hideout, using a brick to deceive the guard. Returning from the transaction point, Jurley had an important memory card in hand. From behind, the soldier, not understanding what happened, was suddenly killed. The accomplices also focused on attacking SEAL X from all directions. SEAL X uses his skills to attack and destroy each enemy in turn.
Hi! Go!
Then he quickly ran to the laptop's location to check, but knew there were still soldiers, so he temporarily ran away. The two soldiers chased after them but couldn't make it in time. At the same time, the big brother arrived. He quickly chased after them.
Go! Hey, boss! Boss! SWAT took away the laptop! Choose it!
The whole group of soldiers chased SEAL X, but his ability to dodge bullets was very good. SEAL X took refuge and attacked them back. The extremely fierce fight between the ferocious robbers made police officer SEAL X dizzy. SEAL X preserved the laptop while fighting fierce robbers. An unlucky thing happened when he was fighting and his gun ran out of bullets.
Hi, let's go.
Okay.
The opportunity comes for Drew Lee and the female robber approaches. In a moment of urgency, CLX was able to reload and kill the female robber, leaving only the leader. He was hit by Drew Lee's bullet and immediately chose to run as the best way to escape his gunman. When Drew Lee chased CLX, he took advantage. The 1-1 battle takes place intensely every moment. While gaining strength, CLX took the laptop and fled. Seeing the enemy escape before his eyes, Drew Lee was both angry and painful. Dr. Lee looked on with hatred in his eyes and screamed, determined not to let this go. An interesting ending for the next part.
Yeah!
On a beautiful day, SWAT SEAL X is loading his weapons into the car. Then he walks over to the motorbikes nearby looking at them with excitement.
Oh. Oh, wow. We have a lot of work today.
From afar, Boss Dr. Lee and his henchmen are proudly walking down the street. The henchmen behind are fighting over food, ignoring Dr. Lee, who keeps walking ahead talking to himself.
I need to chew. Be careful at work, right? You understand? Hi, guys, do you remember?
Dr. Lee turns around, sees what's happening, and walks over to the henchmen, snatching their food. He hits and curses at them.
We're not doing it. Drop it. Let's go.
SEAL X moves upstairs and continues bringing weapons down to the car, then returns to the base.
Oh.
Dr. Lee notices something and stops. The henchmen, not paying attention, bump into him.
Hey.
Angry, he tells them to look
Hey,
ahead.
look. Hey, go.
Dr. Lee and his henchmen are fascinated as they approach the SWAT motorbike. The weapons catch the boss's eye, leaving him speechless.
Hey, guys.
Dr. Lee calls the henchmen over, and they are also excited by the weapons.
Yeah, good.
Dr. Lee looks up and sees that
Let's
the
go,
SWAT
let's go.
team isn't paying attention.
Hold up.
He orders his men to take everything and leave quickly.
Go. Come on.
SEAL X hears the sound of engines and sees the villains taking all his belongings and leaving.
Hey, you.
Gunfight as the two teams on motorbikes. Dr. Lee drives off with a car full of weapons. SEAL X runs The criminals leave behind only one electric scooter for SEAL X. Without hesitation, he uses it to chase the thieves. SEAL X rides the electric scooter searching for the criminals everywhere. Dr. Lee gives a weapon to his men to take inside the base.
Hold up, go, go.
He sneaks in as well. Seal X suddenly sees something and stops. It turns out to be his motorbike parked outside a base. Seal X opens a car trunk, but finds that his weapons are gone. Angry, he quickly breaks into the base. Seal X slowly moves upstairs. Dr. Lee and his men upstairs are still eagerly admiring the stolen weapons. The boss is so pleased, he can't stop smiling.
Yeah, that's beautiful. I like it. Yeah, so beautiful. Yeah, good guy.
Seal X reaches the top floor and sees the prisoner The henchmen scared push each other forward to fight the SWAT officer. Dr. Lee orders them to attack.
Fire! What are you doing?
One henchman is pushed out and quickly fires. The two remaining henchmen are shocked at how fast their comrade died. They pretend to show respect for the fallen comrade. Dr. Lee angrily scolds the two henchmen for their failure, and they rush out together to fire at the SWAT officer.
Yes, sir.
Seal X runs forward and takes down another henchman. The remaining one runs back to hide in fear. Dr. Lee calls for the last henchman.
What? Come here, come here.
Seal X is firing weapons. Dr. Lee and the henchman stand up and shoot at Seal X, forcing him to die. They are pleased that they're at least doing something right. Seal X charges forward with two guns firing at the criminal, and the last henchman is killed. Dr. Lee, terrified, doesn't dare show his face. Seal X shoots at the boss's hat. Seal X points both guns at Dr. Lee's head, causing the boss to tremble in fear.
Let's do it. Let's go.
He restrains Dr. Lee and takes him away. Seal X calmly drives his car away. Behind him, boss Dr. Lee is tied to the car and dragged along as they leave.